Have you ever noticed how every company says they're data-driven, but when you ask where their data comes from, suddenly it's like, let me check that spreadsheet. And here's the thing, most businesses collect data, but very few actually use it. And that's where a data analyst comes in, the person who turns all those numbers into something that actually means something. Hi, I'm Matthew. I work with founders and candidates every day, helping them scope roles, set budgets, and make the best placements. And today, I want to talk about what a data analyst really does, what skills to look for, and how to hire one, without, of course, wasting time or money on the wrong fit. So let's break it down. What does a data analyst do? At its core, a data analyst helps you make better decisions faster. They take raw information, sales data, customer behavior, marketing performance, and transform it into insights that drive your strategy. It's not just about making charts or dashboards look pretty, it's about answering real questions like, why are sales dropping in one region? Which marketing channels actually driving ROI? What products should we double down on next quarter? Depending on your business, data analyst might mean different things. There are business analysts who focus on operations and KPIs, marketing analysts who optimize campaigns, and financial analysts who forecast revenue and budgets. Then you've got specialists in healthcare, e-commerce, SaaS, each with their own flavor of analytics. And the first thing you need to do is to get clear on what you actually want from your data. If you hire someone to just build dashboards, when what you really need is someone to dig into the why behind your numbers, you're setting yourself up for frustration. So what makes a great data analyst? Now, once you know what you need, here's the real challenge. How do you tell if someone is actually good? A strong data analyst isn't just good at Excel, that's quite basic. They combine technical skills, curiosity, and storytelling. Here's what to look for. Number one, curiosity and problem solving. They don't stop at the numbers say this, they dig deeper. They ask questions like, why is this happening and what can we do about it? Number two, we have technical foundation. They're comfortable with all the tools that make data make sense. SQL, Python, R, or even Tableau, Power BI, and Looker. They can clean messy data, run analyses, and turn it into trends you can actually act on. And number three, communication. The best analysts don't drown you in numbers. They translate data into decisions. They can present a dashboard that makes your team say, now that makes sense. And certifications like Google Data Analytics or Microsoft's Data Analyst Associate, they can show that they know their stuff, but what really counts here is the hands-on experience. Real projects, real dashboards, and real case studies that prove that they can actually apply those skills. Why are remote analysts the smart move nowadays? I have to be completely real now. Hiring data talent in-house can be tough and expensive. The good news, you don't have to. Remote data analysts have made it possible for companies to tap into top talent from anywhere without the overhead. You can work with professionals who have the same skills and quality as US-based analysts, often at a fraction of the cost. At Pearl Talent, that's what we specialize in. We connect companies with pre-vetted remote data analysts from regions like the Philippines, Latin America, and South Africa. And these are people who've already been screened for both technical skill and communication. And we handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what actually matters using the data. When should you bring a data analyst on board? Here are some telltale signs. You're launching a new product and need visibility into adoption or user behavior. Preparing reports for investors or audits and need your numbers to be airtight. You're spending on marketing but you're not sure what's working. Or your company is scaling fast and your spreadsheets can't keep up. Basically, if your decisions depend on data and you're not confident in that data, it's time to get help. Lots of things have been said, but the bottom line here is that a great data analyst won't just hand you the numbers. They will give you clarity. They'll help your team stop guessing and start acting on facts. And when you partner with a vetted network like Pearl Talent, you don't just save time and money. You get someone who's ready to hit the ground running. We've seen companies go from total data chaos to automated dashboards and confident reporting in just a few weeks. And if that's the kind of transformation that you're after, check out pearltalent.com. dataanalyst.com. We also wrote a full article that breaks down the data analyst's roles, what to look for, and how to run interviews. It's quite a handy guide if you want to dive a bit deeper. And if you're a data analyst watching this video, we're always looking for skilled professionals to join our network. You'll get access to clients, global opportunities, and ongoing support to grow your career. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and to drop a comment. If your teams ever struggle to make sense of your data, you're definitely not alone here.